Repetition in level 7 is easy, but it's also somewhat limited. Because imagine I want to repeat 2 sentences together 3 times. If I wanted to say, Hedy is fun, I love Hedy, and I want to repeat those 2 sentences twice. That doesn't really work because I can only put 1 sentence here. This is a limitation that we solve in level 8. In level 8 we introduce indentation. And indentation means that you have to put spaces in front of lines to tell Hedy what lines belong together in what we call a block. So as you see here, we say repeat 5 times. So the code hasn't changed, but then now these 2 lines start with spaces. And that means that together they will be repeated 5 times. So both sentences are repeated 5 times. We can also still put code here, and we can say here, we are done now. And there we go. And this final line will be printed once the repetition is over. So we run the code, and then finally, if we've done it 5 times in the repetition, we go back, and then the printing is regular. This is the only thing that level 8 introduces indentation. And again, some kids might say, yeah, this is a bit boring. I already understand this. But we know actually from teaching that this is a hard concept and that kids get confused easily. So it's a good thing that they practice a bit. As in other situations, we really try to make our error messages very clear. So what will definitely happen in your class is that students will forget to put the spaces in the lines. For example, they will run something like this. So if they run this, then we are precise. We say, you used too few spaces in line 2, this is this line. You used 0 spaces, which is not enough. You have to start every new block with 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces than the line before. So we hope this is helpful in figuring out what goes wrong.